It's Monday the 7th of August, it's a bit late, it's about 11 o'clock at night. I've just come back to finish off my cables. Now I started doing this a week or two ago. It's actually being slat-walled tomorrow, so of course I left it to the last minute. So I've just tested that it all works. So I'm going to turn my head torch on. So down here, we now have our Cat 6 cables, a couple of them all working, and I've even testing my TV out. So this is the CCTV monitor that's going to go just up here. I've just put a splitter on it, so just a normal two-way HDMI splitter, just to make sure that everything was working before the slat wall goes up, so I know that it has actually been working. So if it doesn't work by the end of tomorrow, I know the carpenters have through one of my cables, but at least I know it's working today. Right, I don't think I've actually documented the ceiling. So it's all been plastered, it's all been painted. So Mum and Dad have been painting this for a couple of days and they've done a really good job. So they're filling all the holes. We had loads and loads of holes all over this bit here. I'll try not to touch it because I'm a bit mucky. All along there as well. Filled it all in and painted everything. It was really good. So like I said, the carpenters are coming in, got all the slat wall here, and they're gonna start on that wall just there. Tomorrow morning, we've got a load of electrics in the way, so hopefully we can sort something with the electrics, because the electrician don't actually turn up until Wednesday. And that's when the lights are going in, which we're quite looking forward to. So slat wall, electrician, and then we're ready to move all our stock in. So I don't know if that'll be by the end of the week or next week. I'll keep you posted, we'll find out soon. I thought I was done for the night, and then I remembered I haven't put my CCTV cameras back up. So I've just put the back box up on here. I've got my camera down on the floor, just there. And I'm gonna put the one up over there as well. Right, and just to prove it's working, you can see me there on the CCTV that we've just installed. So I'll now do the other one, and that's it. That camera's done as well. So now it's time for me to pack up and go home. Right, it's Tuesday the 8th of August, it's just about midnight. But what I've been doing tonight is getting that camera up there. It's been a bit tricky because I've had to hide the cable in the wall and it just didn't go to plan. But I got there eventually, and we've got the CCTV box just up on the wall, and I've got to do something with all them cables because there's too many and it looks horrible down there. So maybe we've got to box them in, and I still don't know how to put my TV, how high it's going to go, so I'm going to do that in the morning. Now, I was just going to show you through here what the carpenters have been doing. You probably can't see very well because it's dark, so if it doesn't come out very well, I will film it again tomorrow. But that is how much they got done today. And I had to go around, disconnect the electrics for them, just so they could get the cables through. And the electrician's coming tomorrow, so he'll sync the boxes and put twin sockets rather than single. So yeah, they'll carry on tomorrow. It's Thursday evening. I haven't been at work today because I have Thursdays off now, and quite a lot has happened. To start with, the alarm guys have been back. So we've got our sensors back up and running, just there. And over there. The main thing that's happened in this room today is that. Look at that. That is our new gondola where loads of stock is going to be. So lots of wood underneath, so it's a proper sturdy little unit, and goes all the way down here. You can still walk around this bit, and as you can see, all their tools and bits and pieces are still out, so I'm assuming they're coming tomorrow just to finish off. Now, if we continue looking round, you can now see we've got the slat wall around the windows and around this bit just here. And they've put all this back up. We did have a bit of slat wall along the back, but I cut it all down because the ceiling's been lowered, so that I just scribe it into the ceiling and get that fitted there. They've done around the windows, and they've done the board underneath on this one as well. And up there. Friday night and the carpenters are all finished. We've just got to pack take away some of these bits of wood. We'll keep some of these down the stores, so that's what I'm going to do now, is just get rid of them so it's all clear for Saturday morning. So let's go around to this side so you can see it all. The electrician never actually turned up in the end this week, so we still don't have any lights. Right, Sunday night, I'm hoping you can see enough because it's getting dark outside. So on Saturday, Dad and Mum was clearing everything up and they started putting in the strips for the slat board. You can see just there, they have to go in all the way. We've got so much done, but it's not completed yet. I don't know. Oh yeah, we've got a load more bits just here. So we've got to finish off that. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's Wednesday the 16th of August and I'm just popped back to the shop with baby Wade, who doesn't want to look this way. Let's do it this way around. He's just here. He should be sleeping and he's not. And I've nipped back to the shop to sort the alarm out. And yeah, I thought I'd bring him with me and quickly film the shop. Look at this. It looks a little bit different now. So we've got quite a bit of stock already on the slat board. You can see they're sorting these bits out just down here. Everything's getting dusted, everything's getting sorted out and organised. This is the plumbing section. I'll show you that in a minute. That's around the other side. But we've got a lot of the gardening up just there. And if we actually take a step back, you can see the electrician's bin and we've got our lights up. They're not connected yet. So he's got so many of them up. Don't think they're all done. So you've got the outside fitting up, but still not connected. The cables on these ones. And you can actually, I don't know if you'll see on the camera, but the ceiling is really out. It wasn't noticeable until we put the lights on. It's a lot higher that side. And it is this side, but it's an old building, so I suppose that's what you get. We go round here. We've got the gloves. Now it might get a bit too dark this side, but let's try it anyway. So we've got all the screws up. Well, some of the screws are going up. You can see we've got boxes and boxes of them down here, and they're sorted through these ones as well. And then this side is the plumbing, or some of it. Still got a few more bits and pieces to go on. And that's how far they have got of it at the minute. So it's mainly my mum doing it. My sister's also helping out, and my niece Alana while she's not at school because it's the half term. But yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. Bye from me, and bye from baby Wade. It's Thursday night. Watch this. We have lights. Look at that. Nice and bright LED lights flooding the new hardware area. And it does look really, really good. You've got to come down, have a look for yourself. We still haven't got all the stock out. It's Sunday night. Let's take a look at how much stock we actually got out. So from the gloves that you saw the other day and the gardening section, we now have at the end our paint stands on the floor. You've got all your wood protection, water seal, decking oil, and then it goes into your cuprinol, furniture paint, hammerite, saddling, white spirits, spray paints at the top. Around here we've got some glues on that section. And then the minute we've just got CT rod in the window, but that's not staying there. Still hasn't found a home. Our paintbrushes along here. And if we go round, you saw that part the other day, you saw the plumbing the other day, and Mum has now started putting the tools up at this end, just here. So it's been a long process for them, but they are getting there. Everything had to be dusted, cleaned, and I try and work out where they were gonna put it all, which is quite a challenge. We've got a lot of stock. So that is all for this vlog. If you want to watch another video, click the link just there.